Pag masasyandereng Muslim kay mabilo gayato ing Idil Fitir o Feast of Ramadan nganing Miyerkules, April 10. Tanda ni ininimpa ngayari na ning metong abulan dampa magayuno o fasting. Kaugne na nini, mimyeya mensay President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. kimpa magmasusi ning mesabing selebrasyon. Agpangkang PBBM, mo pa ngayari na ning Ramadan ing Idil Fitir. Nunes, simboluyan naman ng rededication ng pamaglakbe ng metong tao bang ayak waing mas disiplinado, marangal, at mas masanting abye. Itimurin ka no yung oras bang mamaya kapasalamatan karangay ganagan ng biyaya at impamagsunduking pamangadi.
This sacred occasion of spirituality and festivities is a solemn time to thank the Almighty for the many blessings that have been bestowed upon us and to ask for His continued guidance and providence as we proceed in our life's journeys.
Amuyuta nala naman presidente den kapatid damo Muslim ay balawas yung pamanyaw karangaliwan tao.
As we mark the end of the holy month of Ramadan with Eid al-Fitr, may we sustain our commitment of extending compassion, of service and love to our fellows, especially those who are suffering and in need. Let selflessness, empathy, and generosity, values that we share across all faiths, also guide our every word, action, and endeavor, so we may bring forth a more harmonious and kinder society.
King written message na naman PBBM, pepasyas na yung kaulaganan ng pamisan metong libutan na ng miyaliwang kapanwalan. Nasa na naman ng mga ibabaw yung lugod at kasalpantayanan kareng memalen. Ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.